For generations, the rich hunting lands along the Nile have provided for your people. Now a series of droughts have withered the size of the herds and forced your kin to forage for new food sources. Fortunately, the banks of the Nile teem with fruits and edible plants. Hunting bands have returned from the east with berries, dates, and leeks. Find these forage sites and collect food for your growing tribe. Once you have enough food, settle in this rich area by constructing a granary, storage pit, and dock. Somas. Pilare. Bombis. Opema. Alamanas. Logan? Umbis. Logan? Somas. Yuri. Bombis. Bombis. Though the desert sands have encroached on the grasslands, the banks of the Nile still provide for your people. Your tribe